Okay, today we're doing a review of a telescoping pole. So this telescoping pole is made out of aluminum. It has multiple sections that extend up to 24 feet. They have comfort grips. Here you can see there's a threaded end. That's where you thread on your attachments. In this case, we're threading on a paint roller. Easy to use. Or if you have high voltage ceilings or high ceilings, you can buy one of these light bulb changer kits online and use that attachment to change light bulbs that are hard to reach. And you can see it has a pivoting head, which is nice. Today, I'm going to be screwing on this paintbrush. I need to paint way up high here on this vaulted ceiling. I'm going to go ahead and extend each segment out. And you can see I've angled the brush to make it more comfortable to reach up into that corner. And I already have a little bit of paint on the brush. So it makes it quick and easier and safer. You don't have to climb up on a tall ladder. Woo! You may want to put down some drop cloths when you paint, just in case, to protect your floor from drips. And now just a short demonstration using it on the exterior of a house. You need to repaint all the brown siding. So I'm going to first do the cutting in with my little paintbrush. And then using the extension ladder and the extension pole, I will be able to reach all the way up to the very peak of the second floor near the roof line. I opted for this because this pole was 50 bucks. I bought it on Amazon.com. A lot cheaper and easier to use than a sprayer. However, obviously it will take you a lot more time. But when you spray, you have to do a lot more masking off of your windows and doors. I found this works fine for me. You can see I'm able to reach up nice and high. And I don't have the pole fully extended here, but with it fully extended, if I climb up higher on that ladder, I'll be able to reach the peak. I'm just doing my cutting in right now with the brush. And then now we're switching to a roller. I'm going to start rolling the brown paint on. And I just opted for a 5-gallon bucket with a metal grate inside to roll the roller on. Works easy. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.